What if you could answer 11 simple questions and have a fully built out, fully ready to go, ready to launch offer with exactly who you should be speaking to, the unique mechanism that you can offer, the product options for low ticket products, for the program deliverables, for if you want to do more of a coaching consulting role, you have that as well. If you want to lean more into productizing your knowledge, you have that as well. It gives you pricing direction and would even build out an recommended ascension path. Get some lightning, there's a storm brewing right now. And also an entire course outline as well, if you want to build a course here based on the duration of the program that you want to build. What if we could build this all out from answering 11 simple questions? Well, we can. And this is an exact example of this for a men's dating offer. I can show you another one here for an example of a women's holistic hormones offer. Same thing, answering 11 simple questions and getting this entire offer built out for you. Absolutely incredible. So how do we do this? Well, yes, I definitely did steal Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers framework, but that is just part of it, okay? Now this is something that I want to give to you here, and what I want to do is show you how to actually use it and how to install it. So this is what it's going to give you. This is the outcome that you're going to get from this here, is it's going to build out your offer. Now, how you actually do it is you get this document here, which I am happy to give to you. Just go ahead and DM me on Instagram, DM me offer if you have not already have this in your possession. This is how you're going to build it, okay? So what you do is you go ahead and you just download the skills to your computer. So quite simply, you open this up. As you can see here, the Hormozi offers skill, the $100 million offers skill is one of them. This is a Claude skill. So what you do is you click open and it opens this up, and then you're gonna go ahead and select this, and then you just hit the download button. And then it downloads, very simple. And then you're just gonna go ahead and double click that, and that'll open that up on your computer and it'll add it to your files. I'm not gonna show you that because I don't want you to see all my files. But you go ahead and open that and it'll add it to your files. Then what you do is you simply just install the skills into your Claude desktop app. So I'm gonna go back over to my Claude desktop app, and it says here, go to the Claude desktop, launch it, open settings, go to the skills and install the skills. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go to the settings. So when you go to your settings, you're gonna go to your connectors. It's actually in customize now, so it's a little bit different here. But you go into customize and then you click skills. Then you're going to add a skill, create a skill, upload a skill. Then you just upload these 4 skills that I just gave you here. So it's these 4 skills right here, the simple offers framework, the low ticket offer skill, the Hormozi offer skill, and the offer concept skill. And this is going to build you out the whole offer concept creator. And then all you do is you go ahead and you go into Claude and you / offer concept. So let's check this out here. Just gonna open a new chat. And what we can do is I can go in here and then I'm going to hit offer concept. And then I click enter and boom, then it's going to queue up. It's going to ask me the first round of questions. Again, it's 11 questions, and it kind of breaks it down into a few more simple steps there and groups up the questions by a couple. So some of them are multiple choice. Some of them you're going to have to write them out. That rain is really coming down. Someone is brave out there on the boats. And then you're going to answer these questions. Super simple. That's it. And then it's going to build this whole offer concept, build this out for you. So again, we'll go through this, what this kind of looks like. This is for a women's holistic hormones offer example that I was building out here. So let's see what the ascension path looks like, right? So you have a 7-day hormone reset, kickstart, feel like yourself again, hormone rebalancing system offer. You have an upsell for body recomposition after balance, Upsell number 2, hormone longevity and anti-aging protocol. That's a really good one. And then VIP one-on-one hormone coaching intensive. So an example ascension path that you can do here. I really, really like the offers that this built out. I spent a lot of time building this and want you to have it and enjoy it and build some incredible offers and go out there and sell some stuff. So the next one here, okay, now you got an offer. Now you need to know how to market that offer. So how do we market it? How do we use social media and Claude and AI to get us leads and go viral? That's the next video for you. Gonna be that way. All right, we'll see you on the next one.